Oh, hi there. Would you like to know how to look good while rocking a shirt? A casual shirt for that matter, be it a flannel shirt, or a beach shirt, or just any linen shirt. Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to give you 4 tips. 4 tips that are going to make you look good in a casual shirt. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, on to the first tip on how to look good while rocking a casual shirt. Listen, you are wearing that shirt, you obviously want to look good, you obviously want to look sexy, you want to get compliments from the ladies. What you do, if it's a short-sleeved type of shirt, make sure you roll up the sleeves of that short-sleeved shirt to get to the beginning of your tricep. You know why? It's going to make your arm look bigger. And what do ladies love other than your arms being bigger? So that they can get that protection and whatnot. So the first thing, make sure you roll up the sleeve of the short-sleeved shirt in order for you to look good in that casual shirt. That's easy, right? The second tip on how to look good while rocking this casual shirt, this is what I call general knowledge. Yes, fit is key, my brother. Fit is key. Make sure that shirt fits you right. Check on the shoulder seams, check the length of the sleeves, and check the general length of the shirt. It shouldn't go past your waist area. And with that, you're going to look absolutely stunning. You're going to look sexy in that casual shirt that you're rocking. Now, on to the third tip on how to look good in a casual shirt. This is it. Easy as ABCD. Make sure you roll up your sleeves. You want to see that forearm. You want to see the veins in that forearm. Even if you don't have veins, it's okay. Just roll up your sleeves. It brings some vibe, some sexy vibe into it. So make sure you roll up your sleeves. You're going to look good. You're going to get compliments, of course. You are going to look good in that casual shirt. Alright? The fourth and final tip on how to look stunning, on how to look good while rocking that casual shirt, make sure you pick the right color. For example, when you're talking about a flannel shirt, there are 2 basic colors which are necessary, which are essential, which can look good in any human, in any body shape, in any type, in any body type. These are the green and black type of flannel and the red and black type of flannels. These are like the essentials. These are the go-to type of flannels when you're thinking about buying a flannel. So the fourth tip is just make sure you're picking the right color for that casual shirt. Just go with the basic color, that is black, white, gray, navy, obviously. Now that brings me to the end of today's video. Go out there, look good in that smart casual shirt. Thank me later. Subscribe, share this video to anyone you feel is going to be assisted. I'm still trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe down below, share this video to a friend or 2 or more, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.